What is up, everybody? Koinonia Trader here, Monday, June 10th. Let's take a look at the two trades that I took today. The first trade was a losing trade. Second trade made up for that losing trade and ended up in some profits for today. So coming into the market, I started off with a bullish bias. It was mainly because of the fact that we were accumulating here during Asian session. London session, we dropped. And then for the morning session, I was expecting a distribution up, which is exactly what we got. But for some reason, I decided to convince myself to take a short trade. And I'll explain why. So I had these two sell side liquidity areas marked out because I saw in the morning we had a big move up like this. And then we decided to take out that high so slightly right there. That was so minimal. In hindsight, I should not have taken a short setup here, but regardless, I thought this was a market structure shift. I should not have been short biased until we took out this low and had a strong market structure shift here, but I took it preemptively. I decided to take it on the 1 minute chart here because I saw that we came back up and we're starting to reject. So on the 1 minute chart, I saw that we had a quote unquote market structure shift right there. I decided to jump into shorts. I had a very bad fill. I don't know what was going on with Tradevate this morning and TradingView, but I was targeting these two sell side liquidity areas. My stop was above this high right here. I ended up getting filled down here, even though I submitted my order up here. And as you can see, slight profit and then got stopped out right there. And because we didn't hit the sell side liquidity, I was a little afraid to take longs. But I decided, you know what, we're just going to go for it. Initially, I had a long bias because of the higher time frame. We are still in this 4-hour fair value gap from last week as well that we keep reacting out of. We have some higher lows that are being created. And also with quarterly theory, it made sense. We came down during London session, so I expected a move on up. And it was the start of a new sub-quarter here. We had this mishmash of action and I expected some kind of move here, so I decided to take a long shortly after I got stopped out at this 2 minute fair value gap right there, because we had this kind of choppiness, we had some kind of bullish structure, and because I saw this continuation up, I decided, okay, I'm gonna take a 2 minute fair value gap entry. My initial stop was down here targeting a 1 to 1.5. I moved my stop up here once I started moving up into profit. My full target was the high of Asia session right up there, right there. And I did not expect us to continue to move on up because it is a Monday. So I was very conservative with my profit level. And as you can see, I ended up getting filled all right here. So to recap, came in bullish because of this 4-hour fair value gap that we keep dancing around in. And now, because of quarterly theory, last night we chopped around. London manipulated down. I expected a distribution move on up for New York session, and I targeted the Asia highs because it's Monday. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That was my trade today. I hope you guys did not take a loss today. As you can see, you could take a loss, but if you quickly reassess what's going on and you zoom out to see the bigger picture of it all, you can still come back from that loss and end up in profit for the day, as long as your risk management is tight and you are disciplined. I only took 2 trades today. Sometimes I only take 1, but today I took 2. And I was fully okay with taking that second one as a loss if it ended up being that. So you also have to be aware of that as well. So yeah. We'll see what the rest of the week brings. Hopefully we continue to have green days every single day this week. And I will catch you guys maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Peace.